Truly Fun Toys.
Welcome back to Truly Fun Toys. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be the first to see our fun videos that are posted every single day.
Hey pups, what do you guys want to do today?
We want a pizza party! That's a great idea, pups. Let's have pizza! I have the perfect thing to make a perfect pizza. What do you think, pups? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices of pizza, and there's 3 of you pups, so if you take 6 divided by 3, each of you get 2 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, Chase, let's start with you. What would you like on your pizza? We have pepperoni, olives, and mushrooms. I love pepperoni and mushrooms. That's great, Chase. You need to pick 6 toppings. So, do you want half mushroom and half pepperoni? Yeah, that sounds great. Let's start with the pepperoni. Chase, do you want all pepperoni on one slice and all mushroom on the other? Or do you want me to mix it up? Let's mix it up. All right, Chase, sounds good. Let's put 1 pepperoni slice here and 1 pepperoni slice here. Now let's do the mushrooms. 1 here, 1 here. So now we have 2 mushroom slices and 2 pepperoni slices. How many more pepperoni slices do we need? That's right, just 1 more. And 1 more mushroom. That looks like a super yummy pizza. Now, Marshall, it's your turn to pick what toppings you want. Alrighty, Marshall, what are your favorite foods that you love on your pizza? I love pepperoni and olives. But I only want 2 olives on my pizza and the rest pepperoni. That sounds super yummy, Marshall. That's my favorite too. Let's turn our pizza and start with the olives. He said he wanted 2 olives, so let's put 1 on this slice and 1 on this slice. And the rest, he wants pepperoni. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Now we just have Sky to pick what toppings she wants on her pizza. And then we'll be ready to put it in the oven. Hey Sky, are you ready to pick what toppings you want on your pizza? I sure am, and I can't wait to have a yummy slice of pizza for my lunch. My favorite toppings are I love, love, love mushrooms and olives. Sky, that sounds so yummy. Do you want half mushroom and half olives all mixed up? Or do you want just a few of one and lots of the other? I would love half and mix it up. Yippee! That sounds great, Sky. Let's turn our pizza and put our toppings on. You said you wanted half and half. So that means if we have 6 toppings, we need 3 of each. Let's put on our 3 olives. And our 3 mushrooms, just like you asked. Wow, pups, this sure looks like a super yummy pizza. I can't wait to cook it up so you guys can try it. Let me go pop it in the oven. Let's be patient while our lunch cooks. Here you go, pups, all cooled down and ready to eat. Let's cut it up into slices so that you guys can try your pizza. Here you go, Sky, a mushroom and olive pizza, just like you asked for. Let's start with one of your slices and see if you're hungry for your next. All right, Marshall, let's get your slice out. Here you go, Marshall, pepperoni with 1 olive, just like you asked for. And the last piece goes to Chase. Let me get your pizza out for you. Here you go, Chase, pepperoni and mushroom, just like you asked for. Thanks for being so patient, pups, and waiting for everyone to get their slice before digging in. All right, pups, go ahead and try your pizza. Wow, good job, pups. You ate all of your first slice of pizza. Do you guys want more, or would you like to save your second slice for later? I'm definitely full to the top. I'm gonna save my second slice for later. No problem, Chase. I'll wrap that second slice of pizza up for you, and you can have it later. What about Sky and Marshall? Are you guys full to the top, or would you like to have your second slice?
I'm pretty full too. What about you, Marshall?
I'm full. Let's all save our slice and have a pizza party later.
Thank you so much for joining the pups and I today for a yummy pizza party. Say bye, pups. Bye.